if you're experiencing a login failure on your Steam Deck. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Begin by performing a simple restart of your Steam Deck. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to the internet. Go to the settings and verify your Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet status. A stable internet connection is essential for logging into your account. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your Steam account username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct credentials. If necessary, try logging in on another device to confirm your account is active. Step 4. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, System, Software Updates and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Navigate to Settings, Network Advanced and select the option to reset network settings. This can help resolve connectivity issues that may be affecting your login. If you followed these steps and are still having trouble, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.